tete upongwe muondo yechimrenga tizanedze vasungwa vatinenge tabata
pamberi neZANU-PF
pamberi
nekubatana
pamberi
neWar Veterans
pamberi
pasina Mugabe
pasinaye
atigarei pasi makomo. Pame, people prayer. Give us a prayer.
Sakana nasi she Jesu Kristo tukuviswa nekuda kokuti takatora iye nyika muvengi ishe Mwari ndimi munoziva ishe tenzi zvatangwanira pano ndimi munoziva ishe tenzi zvatangwanira isusu vazhinji vakasara kumamhiri kwevakungwa ishe nesu takadzoka ishe Mwari womusoro kudenga chirai nesu ishe tenzi mukati meimba ino pachataurwa neukuru hwese ishe tenzi pakati pedu pano ishe tugove tigoteerera ishe tenzi mashoko iwayo asvike ishe tenzi kwakuru venyika ino ishe Jesu Kristu tinokunamatai mangwanana ishe Jesu Kristu tinokunonga ishe Jesu Kristu nokuti makatiraramisa ishe tenzi mune chinangwa ishe tenzi chokuti tigotaura egasi yenyika ino ishe Jesu Kristu kwaive kusiri kubara kwedu ishe Mwari womusoro kudenga asi makange makativhumanira ishe Jesu Kristu andikunamudzei mangwanani Mwari ndanamata nemuzika nemunoba ishe Jesu Kristu. Amen.
Amen. Thank you, Comrade Pame. Harare Province, you are welcome to this press conference. With us here, there are provincial chairman, Chimbo Simugai, my chairman. My provincial chairman, Simugai Mone Genera. One night slogan. Icho! Amerok Batana!
pamberi
Pasina Robert Gabriel kwa Mugabe.
pasinaye
Pasina Grace.
pasinaye
Information, Secretary Information, Simuga was
pamberi nechimurenga
pamberi
nekuzvitonga
pamberi
neruzhinji rwevanhu
pamberi
pasina Robert Mugabe
pasinaye
pasina Grace
pasinaye
right. Ini tinozivana nditi. I'm the Vice Chairman of the Zimbabwe War Veterans Association. My name is Headman Moyo. Asikana tasangana kuno. Tina Secretary General, who happens to be my boss. The Secretary General is a member of the Politburo in our association. He is our Secretary General, but the Politburo, in terms of party protocol, is the most senior Tina Ibana. His name is very common. Is Victor Matematanda.
Thank you, Jamin.
Amandla. Amandla. Ilizwe. Pasina Robert. Pasina Grace. Pasina Reactionary. Pasina Watengesi. Pasina Utengesi wa Robert.
Icho. Zimbabwe oye! Oye! Zimbabwe oye! Oye! Pasi na America. Pasi na. Attend.
Comrade information.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I think I should take this opportunity to thank the war veterans that are here, and the war veterans that are here are not only from Harare, they've gathered from throughout the whole country. And I think I want to inform the fraternity, the journalists, that when you see such things happening, you must understand that there is something amiss within the political arena of the Zimbabwe and the unfolding political developments in this country. The war veterans, it's unfortunate that people do not find the correct and the correct definition of who they are. They are the political barometer, they are the political thermometer that detects, that is responsible, that is managed to bring about a political opinion that grew up to until 1980 when Zimbabwe got its political independence. War veterans are initially trained as soldiers, but the most important component of war veterans is the political aspect. The political aspect is the instrument that we use. It is the instrument upon which war veterans have always derived their way forward, their direction. This is how we have directed the revolution. And when you see us calling for press conferences like this, I want you to understand, and I think that the majority of you must have been surprised when you heard a slogan, Yukuti Pasena Robert Mugabe. What we are is a force, a revolutionary force. We are people who have been directed by the principles of the revolution. Principles of the revolution is what has been agreed by the people who participated in the liberation struggle as to what must be adhered to as a matter of agency, as a matter of demand, how one needed to conduct yourself and understand how we should go forward. There are three things that bind the revolution, and it is upon these three things that they become a measuring instrument as to whether one still remains directed or apanduka. It is the existence of a structure which I've always called a sacred revolutionary structure. Earlier on, it started with the one who is being said Pasinae today. And secondly, we've got the principles of the revolution, which is the principles. The principles are the ways that similar wars have been fought by countries that assisted us during the liberation struggle. And the interpretation of the principles is what we call ideology. It is upon these three that every one of us is measured by. And these people that you see here agree with one another among ourselves because of these three principles. It is these three principles that we have derived the principle of the revolution, that nobody is above the law, and the people alone are the makers of their own history. So we are responsible of directing the principles of the revolution of this country. And when we say the revolution of this country, we are not talking about where you find ZANU-PF leading, but where we also find even the opposition taking part in politics in Zimbabwe. It is part of what we think. It is out of these principles that today in Zimbabwe you find in opposition. There was no opposition during the Ian Smith regime, but we have allowed that to happen. So we have, as war veterans, observed the unfolding political developments in this country since the 18th of November, when we congregated at Mshandra Pamwe, and when we finally removed Mugabe after a bitter 2 years struggle against his endeavor to create a dynasty. We therefore are here today to do the same thing. You remember, I want to remind the world that you remember before the Politburo meeting, the Central Committee meeting, that ended up causing Mugabe to be expelled from the party, the war veterans had called for a press conference and expelled Mugabe and his people.